Welcome. I'm Meg Roggensack.
And I'm Joanne Bauer. Meg and I are the faculty leads for the Business and Human Rights Workshop hosted by the Institute for the Study of Human Rights at Columbia University and Rights CoLab. We're excited to welcome you to this workshop, which will take place over 3 Fridays in June online.
Our hands-on sessions will provide the legal, regulatory, and normative context for the rise of the business and human rights movement, as well as tools and resources that business needs to tackle human rights challenges. Our sessions together are fun, interactive, and hands-on. We use exercises and role plays to bring the material alive.
Our focus on business dilemmas is designed to bring insight not only to business and finance professionals, but also to civil society, journalism, and development professionals who are working to promote business respect for human rights.
We hope you will join us.
For more information or to register, visit www.humanrightscolumbia.org or www.rightscolab.org. We look forward to seeing you.